What's up people of the world? This is Big Steve, Pinoy Cowboy, and today's video wala muna tayong kantahan kundi exercise. Alam nyo guys, mahilig talaga mag-exercise. Tamad lang ako pumunta sa gym. So anyway, i-share ko sa inyo yung ginagamit kong resistant band training today. So eto yun guys, no? So kita nyo ba yung aking pull up na frame? So dyan natin isasabit yung ating resistance band. Unang workout natin para sa yung chest is yung decline press. Alright? So, ganito lang gagawin ko dyan. So, nakikita nyo, 5 bands yung nilagay ko, no? So, isasabit ko lang yan dito. Isa sa mga handle ng ating pull-up frame. So, napaka-sturdy niyan guys. Nakadikit yan sa pader. So, yan na yung ginagamit ko. Instead, eto. Alright. Decline press. So, papakiramdaman nyo lang yung tension nung ating resistance band. So, by the way nga pala guys, kiniklaim nung resistance band na to na i-gauge nung tension nung isang band. So, sa tingin ko guys, hindi naman. Kasi parang ang pakiramdam ko actually ang isang resistant band, parang nagko-consist lang siya ng 5 pounds na tension bawat isa. So, kinabit ko ngayon 5. Alright, so let's do the first chest workout natin, yung ating decline press. So, it looks something like this. So, ganyan lang. Sabi ko kanina, papakiramdaman mo lang yung tension kung hanggang saan. Kasi, pagka sinagad mo siya guys, talaga mag-i-snap yan. So, kailangan nyo pa rin pakiramdaman yung tension. Hindi porket na sinasabi nila na may yung yung poundage ng resistance band. Kailangan, syempre, papakiramdaman mo rin. At saka, kung hanggang saan yung tension. No? Kasi otherwise, mag-i-snap talaga yan. Alright, okay. Let's do this. So, something like this. So, downward press lang yan. So, yan yung equivalent ng decline bench press. So, sa resistance band. So, pushing downward. Alright? So, kailangan nyo talagang pakiramdaman na nag-workout yung chest nyo, no? Otherwise, kung mali yung form, tatama yan sa shoulder instead na sa chest. Alright, so right now, lower part ng chest ang tinatamaan dito sa decline press using this decline press. Okay? Yeah, ganyan lang. Diba? So, hindi naman natin masyado kailangan yung masyadong mabigat. Ang purpose lang naman natin actually is yung stamina, endurance, at saka especially yung mobility. Lalo na napakaganda nito guys, dun sa mga nag-uumpisa, gusto mag-workout na tamad sa gym. Gaya ko, tamad ako pumunta sa gym. Kaya eto, nagre-resistance band training tayo. Alright. So, sa ganito, gagawin natin 3 to 4 set na 10 to 12 repetition. Alright? So, ganyan lang. Alright guys, so second chest exercise natin is yung decline chest dip. Alright, so ang gagawin nyo lang guys, no? Reverse grip lang yung gagamitin natin. Tapos, reverse grip, ganyan. And then, mag-bend lang tayo ng konti. And then, let's start na mag-dip. going downward motion. Alright, okay, it's something, it goes something like this. Ganyan. So, yan yung pinaka-equivalent ng normal na dip. So, ganyan ang itsura pag nagdi-dip kayo sa ating resistance band. Alright? So, ganyan yung pinaka-closest, second best thing na magagawa nyong exercise na dip sa ating resistance band. Diba? So, mafe-feel mo talaga na tumatama sa ilalim ng ating chest. Alright? So, pakiramdaman nyo guys, no? So, pagka mali yung form, tatama yan instead na sa chest nyo, sa shoulder guys. Alright. So, the same thing, gagawin nyo siya ng 3 to 4 set ng 8 to 10 repetition. Alright? That's the second chest workout natin. So, as you can see kanina, nasa taas nakalagay itong resistance band natin. Ngayon, iniba natin yung position. Ngayon, nasa chest height na natin, no? Ay lang susunod na chest workout natin, chest press, gagawin natin dito sa ating resistance band. Alright. So that would be the third workout for our chest. Okay? So, the same thing din. Gagawin nyo siya ng 3 to 4 set at saka 8 to 12 repetition. Alright? Let's get it on. Alright, chest press. So, always try to make sure na pakiramdaman yung tension ng ating bands. Okay, hanggang saan yung kanyang effectiveness, no? Kasi yun importante din para ma-maximize nyo talaga yung workout nyo sa ating chest. Alright, okay? So, ito yung regular na chest press. Makikita nyo, simpleng-simple lang, no? Kung kanina sinet-up natin yung ating resistance band sa taas, ngayon nasa chest level. Makikita nyo, di ba? Alright. Okay. Ganyan lang ang ating chest press gamit ang resistance band. Alright? Woo! Alright. Talagang nararamdaman ko na, guys. Woo! Alright. Alright, yung pang-apat natin na chest workout with the resistance band training ay chest flies, guys. And of course, tandaan nyo guys, no? Don't forget, after set nyo, at least magpahinga kayo ng mga 30 seconds, guys, no? Before mag-continue sa bagong set. Alright, okay? Chest flies go something like this. Alright, so i-feel nyo yung tension at saka yung stretch ng inyong chest. Napaka-importante ma-feel nyo yung contraction, no? Alright, okay, so it goes something like this, chest flies. Yeah. Woo! Talaga naman. Feel na feel. Alright? Okay. Feel na feel ko na ang ngalay. Alright. Chest flies. The same thing. 3 to 4 set. 8 to 12 repetition. And after set, make sure magpahinga kayo ng at least 30 seconds, guys, before proceeding. Alright. Chest flies. Woo! I can feel the burn, guys. Woo! 3 more. Woo! Woo! Two more. Squeeze. Alright. Alright guys, chest exercises are complete. Thank you very much for watching, guys. This is Mixed Pinoy Cowboy saying on exercising, and of course remember, health is wealth. Thank you very much. Paalam. Bye-bye.